that's not a good start. What's the over?
Oh, thanks.
Come on, let's get the red flag out there. That's a little scary.
Wow.
Yikes.
You get out the back. Whew. They're going to try to push it. There's still a vehicle in front of it there, or behind it.
So right on cue. What's the over/under on rollovers for this one?
I'm not
7?
Not going to try to predict it. Is it in gear?
Post flattened out a little bit there, didn't it?
Yeah. He's trying to pull the roof up so he's able to see. Meanwhile, the officials were looking for fuel. Looks like he's got a good vent on that cap with the overflow rooted down through the floor.
I don't know if I like this.
Yeah. He says no. What's the number?
It's Anderson, I believe. That's one of the 127 machines we had out there at the outset. Robert Anderson from right here in Zanesville, Ohio.
Oh. Don't you think one of the
Creative, but
one of the skid steers with forks? I swear that thing's either neutral or in gear because every time they let it go, it tries to move forward.
I was surprised how far that thing had mashed down.
Yeah. Fine tune it.
What's that about pre-bending?
Got it. Got it.
That'll buff out. Don't worry about that part.
Yeah, it's fine.
Bumper's got a pretty healthy dimple in the middle of it there for Donnie Hancock, and then number 81.
Yeah, you know, those bumpers hold up pretty good, so that must have been a heck of a hit, to be honest with you. That's a Adept Products bumper.
When he was upside down with that roof, driver's side on the ground, and that roof facing oncoming traffic,
Oh, so
it
this
felt
is the
like
worst.
forever for that. I'm glad everybody was okay. Whoa. My word.
Wow. Oh, look at that.
Good grief.
That Durango is in the door, man. He is buried in that door. Officials looking, red
Keep an
flag,
eye. Yeah,
red
we're
flag.
gonna get a red flag out of this.
Wow. Wow,
Man.
wow, wow. I hope that driver's all right.
That was hard.
Officials started to go there, turned around immediately. Somebody's climbed out here.
if the 12 was going to
Yeah.
turn the favor.
Yeah.
On the binders, it wasn't really a great landing spot. Look at the Jeep Liberty. Corey Pease with a big hit in the 218.
Ooh, big shot.
Man. Pick a Mad Dog.
Look out. Look out.
That's the 73 is what that is. I was looking for an R3 out there. That'll change up the hunt a little bit.
We got a wheel off.
Penn State, West Virginia, 73. The Durango is going all over the place. We're going to draw that red flag, as you were saying, and that came off of the right front corner of that. I believe that is the drain machine.
Who's climbing out here? $29.
That's Rob Fisher, I believe, the 29 exiting. There's also a fire on the track as well. Sounded like that was the number 12 of Jackson Morris.
He's all done. Oh, it's going. Shoot in the wheel well. This free preview on Facebook, giving you a taste of the action here at the 2022 Bash for Cash in Chillicothe, Ohio. Smash Hit Demolition Derby puts this event on. It's the largest outdoor demolition derby in North America, and we're so glad to bring it here to you. If you like what you're seeing, there's more to see on DerbyNation.tv. We've got more on the schedule for today as well as tomorrow. You get the multi-pass ticket, you can get everything you missed, as well as yesterday.
That is the 127 of Mike O'Hara, I believe, in that red and yellow van that was sufficiently clear in the nose. He's exited the car.
Another red
flag.
Immediate. Back here, the three vans and some numbers. Is that 821 maybe? The black one with red lettering.
Almost looks like 6221.
Goes back to green. Trying to refire.
Oh my. track. Donald Race out over there. The 73's out as well. That's Pat, number 26, reappearing. 0007, Daniel LeBlanc, another former Mad Dog Award winner. Compact action. Flying through there. That's a good look at the 926. Triplet in the 926. There's the 941. Brandon Norton Arsenal from Canada. Donnie Hancock still in the mix in the number 81. Is out by the looks of things. Todd Jaggers. Looks like he's all done. Still has some life left in his machine. There's that 23, so we're talking about the back end folding up pretty bad on it. Now starting to push some pretty heavy steam out the nose.
Wow, big shot.
Was that Pat?
Oh,
Man,
wow.
another red flag.
These drivers are getting rocked.
That we saw get almost knocked over. That 923. Not sure. Patents in the black and orange.
Can't see the one that's buried here in front of us, buried up to the axle hub. I can't read the roof sign. 471. That's too bad. It's Andrew Polinsky. Andrew's out of Canada. Had some trouble this weekend. He was looking for a alternator for a Camry engine.
Huge hit. You can see what it did to the front bumper.
Yeah.
And hood area.
Polinsky was able to find an alternator here from the Shipleys, who brought a bunch to sell to the core buyer, Skinny, and they had some good ones, so they were able to help each other out.
I believe that's Frank Triplett. Once again, one fire rule here.
Keeps the action moving. More often than not, when they have a fire, it's going to happen again. It's usually oil or transmission fluid, something like that. Power steering fluid.
At 26 puts a shot on the LeBlanc machine. There's Pease. And the 941.
Whoa.
Yikes.
He's out safe.
Good.
Oh, yes.
Look at that.
Looked like there was some fuel there as that went to roll over. Do we have any idea what number that was? No number. Fuel everywhere. We'll have to see what's left when we go back to green.
I got one more time. $499 still out there. 112 still out there. 112 is Stewart. $218 of Peace is still out there. $26 is Patton. It's the 95 of Lewis. Still running and moving. 0007 of LeBlanc. What a big win that would be for him if he could pull this one home.
Trying to get it done.
That's the 941, I believe, that we just saw out there at the top. Brandon Milligan Arsenal. Seven. It's Anderson, I believe, out there. Black and green machine. The 923. Aaron Anderson.
How many we got, you think?
Probably somewhere around 8.
Give me a second.
Don't push that.
Yeah. Just trying to get it back
Steve
where
Deal.
it needs to go. Doing a little creative editing here.
Steve Deal's going up in smoke. And that also looks like the 925 of Anderson starting to push an awful lot of steam over there on the top of the track.
Something like that.
Should get us somewhere close.
Yeah. Did you say the 41.99 a deal went up in smoke?
He was steaming pretty heavy in the middle of the track. I don't know if he's still moving.
There he is.
Anderson's also, he was idle for a moment. Looks like the 941 maybe just turned the wipers on for a moment.
Trying to see a little better.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there it is.
Yeah. Yep. Four
Got
down here.
4 here, yep. I can't imagine that's all, though. That might be. Look at that.
It went away quick.
Big time.
What is that one?
That's Anderson. That's the number 127.
Thank you.
He is still in the mix. He's still good, but I don't see the 26 anymore. Anderson. The 112 is still out there. The 941 is still out there. It looks like we're very close to dropping down to like 3 here. Deal and Stewart and Anderson in the 923 look like the only 3 left moving on track right now. Deal is in the 41.99, Stewart in the 112, and then Aaron Anderson in the number 923.
A lot of junk made in this feature.
Big time. Holy cow.
Ooh, punched the corner of that bumper right into the side of the
Sure
van.
did.
He may be pinned in there.
He's got a great look at it right there.
Yeah, turn the wheel. turn the wheel and try to walk out of there. He is skewered onto that dead vehicle.
Look at, he made a pretty big rip in the door too.
Yeah.
I was just about to say how the 112 of Stewart was probably in the best position,
Yeah.
given the effort that he's put into protecting the nose. I mean, he's not pushing any steam whatsoever. Things seems to be running plenty strong. Now, he does not seem to want to go forward or backward as it's impaled there on the bumper. That is going to put us down to potentially 2. We're going to get a red flag here in a moment, I would think, unless we're just going to run it down.
Ooh. He's trying. Don't do it. Don't do it. The wheel
Backed
lay on the
up.
track.
Breaks the stick. That's the show, folks. Anderson's going to win this one.
Aaron Anderson. Well, it's not the show, but it's the feature. Look at that. A 9:23.
Some interesting ebbs and flows there through the final moments of this one.
This feature was wild.